Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following linear equations, and the given equation is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. So guys, let us see how we can solve this given linear equation. The question has given us this equation x minus 5 divided by x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Question has given us this equation, and question is asking us to solve this given equation. So question is just asking us to solve this equation, this linear equation or this equation we can tell. Now guys, these type of equations are really very easy to solve. So let's see how we can solve this type of equations. Now the given question is x upon 5 divided by 3 is equal to x upon 3 divided by 5. Now we should first aim in removing these 3's from the denominator. These 3 from the denominator, this 5 from the denominator. So our first goal is to remove these 3 from the denominator. So let us see how we can remove these 3's from the denominator. Now I can write or x minus 5 divided by 3 into 3 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5 into 3. Multiplying 3 to both these sides. Now we could easily understand why I am multiplying 3 to both these sides. I am multiplying 3 to both these sides so that I can eliminate this 3 first. As a first step, I can eliminate this 3. So I am multiplying 3 to both these sides. Or I can write x minus 5. This 3 cancels out, is equal to x minus 3 into 3 divided by 5. Or I can write x minus 5 into 5 is equal to x minus 3 into 3 divided by 5 into 5. What I am doing here? I am multiplying 5 to both the sides. And guys, you very well know why I multiplied 5 here. As I told you earlier, our first aim should be to remove the 5 and the 3 from the denominators. So at first we removed 3, and now we are multiplying 5 to remove 5. Or I can write x minus 5 into 5 is equal to x minus 3 into 3. This 5 cancels out. Or I can write 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. Just I am simplifying the equation now. Multiplying 5 into x minus 5 and then multiplying 3 into x minus 3. Or I can write 5x minus 25 minus 3x is equal to minus 9. What I have done here? I have transported or I have moved plus 3x from right hand side to left hand side. So if I am moving something from one side to other side, a positive symbol should change to negative, or a negative sign will change to positive sign. So in the right hand side we got plus 3x. When it moved to the left hand side, it became minus 3x. Hope guys you know this very well. Or I can write 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. What I am doing here? Transposing minus 25 from left hand side to right hand side. Why I did all these things? I just want to bring all the variables having x to the left side of the equation and all the constant numbers to the right side of the equation. For that reason I did this type of movements. Or I can write 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 20 minus 9 plus 25 is 16. So what we got here? We got 16. Or I can write 2x divided by 2 is equal to 16 divided by 2. What I have done here? I am dividing both sides, both the sides by 2, dividing both the sides by 2. And why I am dividing? I want to eliminate this 2 from x. If I can eliminate this 2 from x, then only I can find the value of x. In order to eliminate that x from 2, I divided 2 by 2 so that I can eliminate this 2. In order to eliminate this 2 from x, I divided the left side of the equation by 2. And if I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. This is what you very well know. Or I can write x is equal to 8. How 8? These two cancels out and 2 8s are 16. Now guys, you could see that we got the value of x as 8. So this is our answer, guys. What we got? We got the value of x as 8, and this is our answer. Now this does not stop us here. We need to also check our answer. And confirm whatever we got is correct or not. Whatever the value for x we got is correct or not. Now we should do a check. How we will do a check? Let us see. Check. Now let us rewrite the original equation. Let us rewrite the original equation that the question has given us. Question has given us ax minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to ax minus 3 divided by 5. Now let us solve the left side of this equation. We are going to find out the left side of the equation result and the right hand side of the result. If we get both the left side and right side figures as same, then our finding is correct. Therefore, we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and hence it is verified, we can directly say. So left side of the equation says ax minus 5 divided by 3. That is equal to, I can write, replacing the value of x with 8, I can write 8 minus 5 divided by 3. That is equal to 3 upon 3, that is equal to 1. So what we got? We got the left hand side is equal to 1. We got the left hand side of the equation as 1. Now let us check the right hand side. Now let us check the right hand side of this equation. Right hand side of the equation is x minus 3 divided by 5. X minus 3 divided by 5, or that is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. So we got right hand side is equal to also 1. That means you could see that, what you could see? You could see that the left hand side we got 1, as well as the right hand side of the equation we got 1. That means you could see here, this is the left hand side, this is the result for the left hand side, and this is the result for the right hand side that I am going to write. Now we can say, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. Hope guys you understood this. We got the answer for x as 8, and then we verified our result and we could find out the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.